So I wanted to do a video on like one of the pointless little add-ons that this truck came with, and a lot of new Tacomas come with it as well. Let me show you. It's this little secret compartment, I guess, right here for money or whatever. Kind of dumb. If you look at the add-ons, it was like $65 or maybe it was more. I'll have to check it out, but it's kind of a stupid little thing that you have to pay for. Comes with the truck. Can't get it back in now, but but yeah, it's that little compartment right there. What do you guys think? Would you want to pay 50 to probably $80 extra for this? It came with the truck, so I kind of was forced into it. But yeah, let me know what you think.